Hello guys, tignan niyo tong flowers na to. Ang ganda, di ba? Ayan, mataas siya guys. Halos kasing taas ko nga eh. Oh, sobrang ganda guys. Kulay lavender siya. Ayan. Okay guys, ayan yung deer guys. Ayun, may visitor ako guys. Ayun, may visitor ako guys. Andito ako sa labas. Oh, kakain siguro sila ng ng blackberries. Okay lang guys, kumakain sila ng blackberries. I love animals, so don't worry guys. I love animals, so they like it here in our yard, in our land. Actually share what we have here with the deer. You know, they eat whatever they want to eat. Okay guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today. I need to fix my that fence, my gate one of these days, but I need to figure it out. How am I gonna fix it? Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a good day. I love these flowers guys. Thank you for watching.